state will be strictly watching a statewide recount. Good evening, everyone. I'm Susan Simon.
And I'm Eric Franke. The Government Accountability Board held a conference call today with clerks to give them the ins and outs of how it all work. News 3 political reporter Jess Garb joins us with their questions and their answers, Jess.
Well, 72 county clerks statewide, most of them new to the process, will now administer a historic statewide recount, and the Government Accountability Board will be watching.
We would recommend that Canvas boards focus on one reporting unit at a time.
There are a lot of questions to be answered before 1.4 million votes are recounted for Supreme Court, and the Government Accountability Board aims to ensure confidence in the process.
The basic goals that all of us share are ensuring that each vote is counted and that the process emphasizes transparency.
Answering questions from county clerks statewide.
Are we mandated to count by hand?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Thank you.
The GAB admits they will be strict with guidelines for a recount that is expected to be detailed and chaotic.
The state recount plan has identified a specific procedure that everyone needs to use to conduct the poll list reconciliation. It may be different than what you've done in the past. There's less flexibility this time because of the need for uniform processes.
Dane County's nearly 200,000 votes will all be counted by hand, an extensive and tedious process.
We'll be doing 12 hours a day. We're going to be working through the weekends, and it's going to be very close whether or not we will be done on the 9th. We may possibly have to get a day or two extension.
That's beyond the May 9th deadline the GAB has set out, but with their recount guidelines, clerks say it could be challenging to meet.
Now it's going to be very specific how everyone does it the same, so that throughout the state we're all handling it the exact same way.
The GAB could file for a court extension if the clerks can't meet that recount deadline. There are also other rules set out for observers. They must stay in a designated area, and only one representative from each candidate can challenge votes with the board of canvassers in every county. A note for observers: they are allowed, but no coats, purses, briefcases, or black or blue pens will be allowed in the recount area. In Dane County, that will be in room 354 of the city county building.
Sounds like an overwhelming process. Jess Garp reporting. Jess, thank you.